He caught a figure in his fridge reflection, but seconds later, the house turns terrifying.
Excuse me. Are you back there again? This has become its favorite spot. Now, and there he is. Okay, that's enough water, please.
Then, out of nowhere, the faucet switches on by itself. Not once, but twice.
Okay. Everyone can see you in their reflection, bud. Everyone can see you in their reflection. And it's gone. Okay. I know he's not in here, but I just want anyone who's watching to see. This is too small, but just like it's not. I just wanted you to see. The cabinets are knocking again. I'm leaving.
So, what was hiding in that reflection?